Hello everyone, welcome to Riya Kushwaha channel. Today we are going to see the part 3 of the topic ear. That means about the human ear. Okay, so let us start. Last time we have stopped on auditory nerve, right? Yeah. Today we are gonna see about the eustachian tube. So the eustachian tube is a passage connecting the middle ear to the back of the nose and throat. So this eustachian tube is connected to this middle ear, okay? And what happened? It is a passage, you can see, it is connecting the middle ear to the back of the nose and the throat. And it also knows for equalizing the pressure. It is open when you swallow or yawn. So a eustachian tube, one main function for that is equalizing the pressure. Okay. The one main function for the ear was also for equalizing the pressure, and that is done by this eustachian tube, right? The eustachian tube, you can see it's present over here. 1 minute. Yeah, it's present over here, right? Yeah. Let's move on. So now we are going to move the summary, that is the parts of the ear what we have learned. So this was the external ear, flap-like structure known as pinna also. Auditory canal, when the sound waves will move through this ear or pinna to go through the auditory canal over here, right? Imagine that this is the sound wave. It will move through this canal, and this canal is known as the auditory canal or auditory canal, right? Yeah. And then it will strike the eardrum. This eardrum will then vibrate, and this vibration will be sent to the middle ear through hammer, anvil and stirrup, and will be magnified over there by the factor of 18. Then you know that hammer, anvil and stirrup is a correct order. You cannot change this order. And the last bone is the stirrup, right? And then from the stirrup it will reach the oval window that separates the middle ear from the inner ear. The eardrum separates the auditory or auditory canal from the middle ear, and over here the oval window will separate the middle ear from the inner ear. So as the vibration that is magnified by the factor of 18, it will reach the oval window, and from there it will enter the inner ear. Now in the inner ear is this cochlea, that is, we can say, snail shaped. It is approximately 3 cm long. It contains a fluid, and approximately there is 23,000 microscopic hairs present in this cochlea. Now this cochlea, the hairs that are present over there are attached to the vibration sensitive cells. So as the vibration will pass, the fluid will also vibrate, and because the fluid is vibrating, what will happen? The hairs will now start vibrating also or move, and because that mechanical wave, because of this cell, that is the vibrating sensitive cells, this mechanical wave will turn into what? Into electrical signal, okay? And from this auditory nerve it will pass and go to the brain, okay? Brain. So from the auditory nerve, the electrical signal will go to the brain. Now I hope all the parts that we have just covered was very easy for you, right? Now in the next video we will see a new topic. For that you have to like, subscribe and share my channel. Till then, bye.